This is episode 2 of this Toyota Tacoma 2026 full transformation. We're gonna be installing the bed mat, interior floor liners, skid plate, door visors, and the TRD Pro style front grille. Now we're gonna be installing the bed mat and the floor liners. I don't wanna see no new trucks like this with scratches on the bed. There is no excuse. Look at this, the TonnoFlip bed mat. Now we're gonna be installing the floor liners. You want protection for your interior? I'm gonna show you why the TonnoFlip interior floor liners are better than the factory ones. These are the factory front mats that the Tacoma comes with. As you can see here, there's a lot of difference. 2 small mats in the back. Look at this. Do you think that'll cover anything? Look at the difference here. Full protection with the complete mat, so you can protect the whole floor. Now, let's install it.